Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe it and increase your family members. So, let's get into the video and discuss iris flower dataset. Before this all, go to any of your browser. We're using Chrome browser. So type iris Kaggle dataset from where we're going to download our data of iris flower. Here is the Kaggle website. So here you can download it. We have ID, sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and species. In species, we have iris sedosa, versicolor, and virginica. It's only 4.99 KB, so it's so easy to download. For more information about iris species, we're going to search on iris Wikipedia. So for that, we're going to open that website, go to Wikipedia. Actually, what we're going to do in machine learning is that we're gonna check the width and length of the petals of every type of this flower. So let's get into the coding part. So first we're going to import pandas as PD, which means that whenever you use PD, it will import pandas. So you can download the pandas from its original website from here. According to your operating system, just press install it, and after this, check if it imports the pandas. We can check the version by pandas.version, but there is a mistake because we have imported pandas as PD and we didn't ask it to print it. So if we do it this way, you can see that first you need to get into the directory, and after this you are going to type python irisdata.py. As you can see, you have an error telling you that panda is not found. So we can try using PD, but it will not work. It won't work because we didn't ask it to print it. Now you can see the version 0.25.1. Excuse me. Okay. Importing our iris dataset and reading our CSV file. So how can we do this? So we can do this by using pandas. Now give any variable name, data, iris, whatever you want. So we give data, which is equals to PD that we've imported, .read CSV. Read CSV is a function that we're going to be using. You can see my file of CSV and Python file are in the same directory, so I'm not going to specify the path. If your file of Python and CSV file is in different directories, you need to specify where is your CSV file. Okay. Now let's see if it's imported. It will not give you any error. There you go, there's no error. It means that you have imported it successfully. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is checking our data. So how can we check it? We want to know, we want to see it, we want to know how many columns and items in it. So we're going to use it by printing data.head. .head is a built-in Python function which is not callable, so you're not going to add two parentheses. So there we go, we have ID, sepal length, etc. and all of that stuff here printed, which is giving us further more information by typing .shape. So .shape tell us what shape of our data is. Now we're gonna using column, so it's gonna tell us columns. There we go, our today's task is done. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and share our videos. See you guys soon. Later.